Ki khubor ka bate si TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjas liang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
Menteri Rangba Kazilla Ukonra Ki Sangma Hakar Panyotrik Unai Wing Arajar Pausau Ulong Baga School Ba North Eastern Hills University Kedika School Ba Belapenya Laga Sorkar Pdeng But Lada Kadon Ganu Jingmut Nakalyang Ministry of Education ke Sorkar Pdeng ke Sorkar Jilla ke Long Kloi ban Ïarap Hakanu Kalyang Kini gajing pencharge Menteri Rangba Kazilla Hakajing Keran Beklar Pathai Kubor ke Long Halor Kajing Kentho ke Bami Niki Bun Balang Baga Sorkar Jilla Kamshim na le AA Yagi Kendom Kendram la Jahapo ke Skol Ba Nehu Hakini Kniat Tayo Blalet no Kabla Penlong Igi Samla Pule Jong ke Skol Ba Nehu Ban Penlong Igi Jing Syak Tangan Beklamput Sngi Bat Bandawahir Syuki Vice Chancellor Professor PS Shukla.
That is something that is entirely up to the committee. It is not for me to say. It's a committee that was formed by the Government of India, and therefore it is at their level. As I've been mentioning from day one, that this is an autonomous body which is completely controlled, or you can say connected with center, and therefore state government does not normally intervene into the day-to-day functioning since it's a central university. But whenever asked for any advice or whenever asked for any support, we have always done our best to do that. Even earlier, when this issue had just started off, through different multiple channels, means individuals and stakeholders, I was asked to speak to Delhi, and I did that. And based on those communications and multiple conversations with the central ministry, we were able to then come to this point where inquiry committee was put up. So we have done our part. We will continue to do our part. What is important for us is not about any particular issue as such, but larger interest of the students of Nehu is what is important for us. So we would like to see that things stabilize. We would like to see that the students' lives are not affected, the students' careers are not affected, and their education is not affected. And that's what larger interest. And so wherever our inputs and our information and our role is required, we'll be happy to be there to support in the larger interest of the students.